Discover the secrets behind ChatGPT's free access and learn how you can utilize this powerful AI tool without incurring any costs. In this video, we'll delve into the world of ChatGPT and explore what makes it free for users today. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply curious about AI, this video will provide you with valuable insights into the capabilities and limitations of ChatGPT. Tune in to find out how you can harness the power of ChatGPT for free and unlock a world of possibilities. With its advanced language processing capabilities, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, and we're excited to share our findings with you. So, what are you waiting for? Watch now and learn what makes ChatGPT free today.